Okay guys, today we're going to be attempting the damn train. Okay guys, today we're going to be attempting to install Windows XP Professional on this laptop. I'm going to turn it on. 12. Set up IDE compatibility mode in BIOS, so it should work. I'll be making a Windows 2000 Professional install video in the future if it works. So let's see if this works. I had actually tried to do this exact video one time before, but I forgot to save my BIOS settings, so it was actually on AC. It was actually on the other one the entire whole time, and IDE wasn't enabled, which is the one thing that allows this to run just well. See, it's expecting IDE, so that's why I put it on IDE. Alright, I'll see you in a second. It's loading. I've made the room darker so it's easier to see the screen. Hopefully it will load this time and we can hear the da 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 da. That's good. This is where it failed last time, but I think I fixed it. It's still working. Yes! Alright. This is farther than I got last time I tried to do this video, so let's enter. So far, so good. It's examining the disk. Alright, let's just agree to the license terms. Alright, so I'm gonna delete these partitions. Enter. Press L. Gosh, they really make sure that you don't delete the partitions accidentally, don't they? They do not make it easy. There. Our unpartitioned space. Format the... Let's go ahead and try doing quick first. Alright. Set up as formatting. Good. And I know it's formatting. Good. Please wait while setup examines your disk. This may take several minutes depending on the size of the disks. Setup is copying files to the Windows installation folders. This may take several minutes to complete. Alright guys, I'm going to put it in time-lapse mode. Okay, so... Alright, now it's going to reboot. I'm going to actually just click enter. Alright. Oh my gosh. Alright. This should be compatible. It's on. I think it's compatible. Oh, yep, it is. She is. Alright. Feel the power of high performance 64-bit architecture. The 64-bit Windows architecture powers extremely large amount of data more powerfully. Windows XP Professional X64 edition programs can be poorly virtual memory, blah blah blah. Loading data into virtual memory for reading, searching, and writing to storage devices, thus making programs run faster and more efficiently. Alright, whatever. I don't really care. Alright, setup will complete in approximately 39 minutes. Alright. Get up and running with the latest updates. Windows Update provides you with critical software updates and hardware support files for your Windows XP computer. You can choose to have Setup Check Windows Update website to ensure that you have the latest updates to make your Windows installation go smoothly. For corporate customers, there have been great improvements to the system preparation tool as well as unattended setups. Installing devices. Alright. Wow. It's really doing pretty good. So the specs of this computer are actually pretty good for Windows XP. Has an Intel Pentium. I think it's a 4. I don't know. It doesn't say. So I don't know if it's a 4, but I'm pretty sure it is. So Windows XP should run pretty well. And 4 gigabytes of RAM. I think like a 1 terabyte hard disk. Spinning. Although this does support SSD. Oh, that was strange. No, it's probably just from installing the devices. I shouldn't be able to. Windows XP Professional makes it easy to surfing the internet, safe, fast, and flexible. Windows XP includes the most secure version of the Internet Explorer to date. Blah, blah. Many new features help enhance the security and privacy of information on you into the internet. Well, I guess it's better than Edge, even though it's like basically the same thing. Except for the rendering engine. Blah, 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 blah. Just all this stuff. Where'd my mouse go? Oh, there it is. Protect your investment in software. We understand the need to keeping existing software investments in Windows and Windows-compatible software, so Microsoft has provided the WoW 64 emulator allowing many 32-bit programs to run unmodified on 64-bit Windows-based computers. Alright. I mean, I don't run a business, but if I did, that would be okay. I mean, here's a funny story. The government actually uses Windows XP. I know, it seems strange, but the government is using Windows XP, and NASA used to use Windows XP. They just now upgraded to Scientific Linux. Customers will find deploying, managing, and administrating Windows XP Professional x64 Edition easy. Existing Windows deployment tools and familiar management tools are used, so you will not need to relearn or change your current infrastructure. I mean, this is Professional Edition, so it's just giving me a bunch of corporate junk. So I'm going to go ahead and put it into regional and language options. All right. Put my name in there. Cat PC tips. And YouTube. Let me go ahead and type in my product key. Alright, I've typed it in. Don't worry, this is not actually bought. So this key is actually free to use for anyone that is using this as a tutorial. Alright, so I'm just gonna click next. Just type in a password. Alright, let's click next. This all seems correct. Doesn't really matter. Now it's installing network. I wonder if the network will actually work. I guess that's a question. Please like and subscribe. This is actually a really painful process for me to make videos like this. So what I have to do is I have to take little clips of everything so I can do time lapses, and therefore I have to use iMovie to click them all together on my iPhone. which can take a little bit. So it's copying some more files. Alright, cool. Cool. It's actually kind of cool that this little wireless mouse from Logitech works Windows XP. That's actually kind of cool. Alright. After Windows XP Professionals, you won't have to search for updates online to stay updated. You can opt to receive update reminders as often as you want to keep your computer operating at peak efficiency. Most updates can be made automatically. Rely on most dependable Windows for business computing built on blah 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 blah. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in time-lapse mode. Alright? Alright. It looks like it's starting to save settings now. That's an update on the Windows XP installation. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back into time-lapse mode though. Alright. Actually, no, because it looks like it's about to finish. Actually, I will. Alright. Now it's restarting. Alright. I think this time we're actually gonna get to log in. Oh yeah, baby. I believe you actually get to log in this time. There. Alright, so far so good. Type in the password. It didn't play the bum 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 bum. There. Well, I guess we're in. Let's try and restart to see if sounds will play. I wonder if it's like drivers. I mean, that's kind of sad. Alright, let's restart one more time. Alright, she's restarting. Alright, I think it actually is, right? This is actually kind of cool. It's, working. No, I'm not gonna take a tour. Alright, let's see. Let's see if we can get the sound to work. Control panel, sound, speech, and audio devices. No audio device. So apparently there's like a problem with the audio drivers, but I mean, that's a minor thing. It's just kind of cool that we got it running. So let's see if we got internet. All right, to the internet. That's all. Huh. So it's not actually connecting to the internet? Alright. Well, I mean, let's see. I'm gonna play some pinball. You can't install Windows XP without playing some pinball. I don't really know how to play it, to be honest. Let me put this, see if I can play it.